In this video, we will cover required tools and consumables for paint protection film applications.
We will need baby shampoo,
3M surface preparation system, clay bar, turbo squeegees, spray bottles, microfiber cloth, a cutting knife, disposable syringe, isopropyl alcohol, and 3M PPF installation gel. An extra tool like 3M knifeless tape will help you to cut through PPF film. 3M Precision Line knifeless tape is designed to cut through paint protection film on wet applications. You will also need for that Scotch Fine Line Tape 218 to get a precise cut. And the final tools for your PPF applications are installation solutions.